Hi, my name is Alan Diwan and I am the chef and owner of Kashmir Indian Restaurant Budapest. We are here on behalf of Expat Village, and the next dish we're going to make is pilau rice. We're going to make pilau rice with green peas, and this pilau rice is called dum pilau rice. Dum means steaming something. So we're going to make this pilau rice by steaming the rice, and the process of steaming ensures that the rice are cooked to the right texture, cooked evenly, and they don't stick together. And the other thing is that they absorb the aromas of the spices very well. The pilau is a side dish, so we do not want it to be very spicy, but we want it to be very aromatic. So we're going to use basmati rice, Indian or Pakistani basmati rice, and these are long grain basmati rice. We have to soak them in cold water, clean them once. The process of cleaning them once will take out a little bit of the starch, which will help us to cook the rice, and it won't stick together. And the other thing is it will clean the rice, and also we'll soak the rice for about half an hour. Soaking the rice helps it to cook slightly faster. And we'll use frozen green peas. Of course, if you're using fresh green peas, then you have to cook it slightly further for a couple of more minutes.